Hi Daddy, and welcome to the first video for scanning a photo as a JPEG using your Epson software. We're going to talk about the first section, turning on your computer and scanner, opening your scanner software in professional mode. So obviously, if I'm making this video on your computer, you have already turned on your computer and you've logged in. And just a quick reminder, this page is called your desktop. You also want to make sure your scanner's turned on before you scan and that it's connected to your computer. It might be best that it's connected in the back of the computer, which it is as I'm making this video, because the front USB ports sometimes are faulty on these kinds of computers. I don't know why. They are. Okay, so in a second we're going to open up the Epson Scan software, which currently the icon's located over here, but maybe later on it'll slide somewhere else. Somebody might slide it somewhere else, so you just have to find it. You can also go to your Start menu, open that up, and then just type EP Epson Scan, and you can find it that way as well, and click on it, left click it once. We're going to do that in a second, but first I want to open up the document that I've made for you that has all these instructions, because it's also keeping me on track. And how I'm going to do this is I want you to open up a web browser. You can either open up Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, which is the same place where you check your email. Let me go ahead and close. Well, I don't want to close that one. I'm going to open up Internet Explorer for this. Okay, and we want to open up this tutorial page. This information that I'm sharing is all typed up. And we do that by going to tinyurl.com/tedscans, and we hit enter. I'm going to shut this tab because we don't need this Welcome to Lenovo tab. Okay, so we've got this one document open, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller by clicking that. And I'm just going to have that kind of handy. So again, what we're doing is we're going through just this section in this video. Okay, so you've turned on, you've logged into your computer, we've talked about your desktop, you've turned on your scanner, it's connected to the back of your computer probably, and now on your desktop screen we're going to open the Epson Scan software. We're going to make sure we pick the Perfection 600 Epson device, and we're going to set it in professional mode. So again, refer to these instructions for a reminder of what we're doing, but I'm going to push that to the side and we're going to open this up. So open your Epson Scan, select Epson Perfection V600, hit OK. It thinks and opens, and then it opens here on the left. We've got 4 modes that you could work in, and you could play with these other modes someday, but I'm encouraging professional mode. I think that it's probably a good mode to be in. I don't have time to learn about the other two, so professional mode, and that's where video 1 stops. So let's stop, and then we'll enter in the next video into the checking and selecting settings in professional mode video.